Hey there, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing a DIY step-by-step on how to install a BMS intake for the N55 engine. Let's do it. Step 1 will be to remove the plastic engine cover. Next, you'll need a 6mm socket to loosen the clamp from the intake. Next, we'll need to unclip these 4 metal clips. Now you can remove the top airbox piece without removing the mass airflow sensor yet. Now with a T20 torque spit, we will be able to remove the mass airflow sensor. Next, you can remove your stock air filter. Now you can gently wiggle out the mass airflow sensor. Now taking the new BMS intake, reconnect the mass airflow sensor first. Now using the 2 screws provided with the BMS intake, screw down the mass airflow sensor into the BMS intake. Now reconnect the BMS intake near the clamp. Tighten the clamp using the 6mm socket. Lastly, just reinstall the engine cover. That'll be it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments what intake you guys are running. Also, what mods do you guys recommend to do next. Catch you guys next time.